So there is a lot of buzz happening around that we have received the first dose of vaccine, and what about the second dose of vaccine? We are about to travel abroad for our higher studies in coming fall intake. So this news is for you. Must watch this. So guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vaibhav and you're watching Scorpion VJ. So there is a major update for international, specifically for international students from Government of India, specifically not from Government of India, to be precise, from Maharashtra, from Kerala and from Karnataka. So talking about Maharashtra, so Aditya Thackeray has recently tweeted a long text. So let me do one thing, just I'll be reading out the text and be with me. For students who have received confirmation of admission in universities abroad and require vaccine for the same, the BMC has arranged free walk-in vaccination this coming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It means you are having 3 days, that is 31st May, 1st and 2nd June at 3 centers, Rajwadi, Cooper and Kasturba. So the students need to carry I-20 or D-160 for US students, as well as you guys are also having the option to get the verified confirmation letter to the concerned foreign universities along with personal ID documents. So better to take your passport with you. And the admission and vaccine affecting careers, this admission and vaccine affecting career, we are duty bound to vaccinate them in the required time. That's really wonderful thing. I'll also be speaking to the municipal corporation across Maharashtra to implement the same for students in and around those cities with confirmation letters for universities abroad to implement the same. The number are small, but the career opportunities can't be missed. So yes, indeed, this is one of the biggest step, one of the major step for international students. At least someone is there to listen us, right? So महाराष्ट्र में जो लोग हैं, स्पेसिफिकली जो मुंबई में लोग हैं, उनके लिए 3 सेंटर है उनके पास, लेकिन सिर्फ उनके पास टाइम सिर्फ 3 दिन का है. अगर उनको वैक्सीनेशन लगवानी है अपनी, स्लॉट्स नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं आपको, सो आपके पास 3 दिन है. इन 3 सेंटर में जा करके आप लगवा सकते हो. एंड डेफिनेटली ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा कि सेंटर में बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होगी, बिकॉज स्पेसिफिकली अगर इन्होंने ये 3 सेंटर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए डेडिकेटेड रखे हैं, सो आप लोगों के लिए अच्छे से अरेंजमेंट डेफिनेटली किया होगा. And if I talk about Kerala, so what Kerala have decided, the government of Kerala had decided is they have reduced the gap of Covishield vaccine. Currently, the gap between the 2 dosage, dose number 1 and dose number 2, is approx 12 weeks. So just imagine a scenario where a student has taken the first dose now and he's about to take the second dose in somewhat around mid of August, if I'm not wrong. So this is the major issue for people who are traveling abroad, be it US, Canada, anywhere. It is nothing like that. These the government have decided to give the jabs for the international students who are traveling specifically to US or Canada. So if you're having a valid offer letter, admission letter, which is LOA, letter of acceptance, so you can just walk in and get your vaccination done in Maharashtra. So in Kerala, if I talk about, so they have, as I told you, they have reduced the gap. Just take your LOA and get your second dose after 4 to 6 weeks. So yes, they have decided to reduce the gap of 12 weeks to again 4 to 6 weeks. This is indeed a very wonderful news for international students who are having the secured admission in universities abroad. सारा पैसा लगा हुआ है यार, आप लोग का, मेरा भी लगा हुआ है, काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स का लगा हुआ है. सो इंडीड बहुत अच्छी बात है ये. एंड होपफुली फ्यूचर में सारी स्टेट, सारे जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं, इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स आर उनका भी करियर है, उनके भी फ्यूचर एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. सो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया must think about these for students. As I told you, the numbers are small, but their career is on priority. So yes, these are some of the updates which I'm having. And if I talk about Karnataka, so they are also planning to implement the things. Although I have attached the 3 major the proof of these news in the description section, so you can just go and can get the stuff from there. Get your vaccination done, because see, listen one thing, वैक्सीनेशन पासपोर्ट सिर्फ ट्रैवल करने के लिए काम नहीं आएगा यार, आप लोग की हेल्थ के लिए भी सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. गेट योर वैक्सीनेशन डन एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. एस्ट्राजेनेका कहीं बैन नहीं है. एस्ट्राजेनेका अगेन कनाडा में स्टार्ट हो चुकी है सेकेंड डोज लगना. सो कोविशील्ड इज़ गुड. आप लोग काफ़ी सारे मुझे DM करें कि कोवैक्सीन लगवाएं, कोविशील्ड लगवाएं. तो सी कोवैक्सीन जो है वो 4 से 6 हफ्ते जो भी उसका टाइम है उतने में आपको मिल जाएगी. सो बट कोविशील्ड, बस कोवैक्सीन का भी सिनेरियो ये है कि वो WHO की अप्रूवल लिस्ट में नहीं है. सो अभी तक हमारे पास कोई न्यूज़ नहीं है कि कनाडा इसे एक्सेप्ट करेगा नहीं करेगा. सो यू नो वी आर इन अ डिलेमा, वी आर इन अ blank state, like we don't know what will happen in future. Hopefully government of India is trying their best to get this vaccination registered in the eye of WHO. So अब कुछ भी हो सकता है यार, आने वाले टाइम का किसी को पता नहीं. 2020 में भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, 2021 में तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. राहुल गांधी प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी बन सकता है. So jokes apart. And one more thing, I just wanted to update you guys that today I'm having a live session with Sahil Raj Nurullah, who is the founder of SRN Academy. So आप में से जो लोग नहीं जानते हैं, so आप उनको YouTube पे सर्च कर सकते हो. स्पेसिफिकली जो भी कनाडा जा रहे हैं सब साहिल भाई को जानते ही होंगे. उनसे आज मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ अबाउट द साइबर सिक्योरिटी अवेयरनेस कैंपेन एज वेल एज द एजुकेशन स्कोप इन कैनेडा. So guys, be there and the link is in the description section. Till then, stay safe यार, अपना ध्यान रखो, वैक्सीनेशन जरूर लगाओ. बार बार आप लोगों से कह रहा हूँ, stay safe यार.